Welcome back to ZA Motors, where innovation meets luxury on wheels. Today we're diving deep into the stunning 2026 BYD Motorhome, a futuristic masterpiece that's redefining what travel luxury means. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a moving mansion powered by technology, design, and pure elegance. Right from the first glance, the exterior design grabs your attention with its jaw-dropping two-story structure wrapped in a sleek white and gold finish. The sculpted body lines and aerodynamic profile make it look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The massive panoramic windshield seamlessly blends into the gold-accented body, while the LED light strip running across the edges gives it a hyper-modern touch. The 6 large wheels with blacked-out rims add a dominant and powerful presence on the road. BYD has clearly gone all out to make this motorhome look as premium as it performs. Step inside and you'll instantly understand why this is being called the ultimate luxury motorhome of the future. The interior is a perfect blend of comfort, technology, and craftsmanship. From the moment you enter, you're greeted by ambient lighting, handcrafted leather seating, and a spacious open concept layout that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. The upper deck houses a master bedroom with a panoramic sunroof that lets you sleep under the stars. The living area features a plush sofa set, a large OLED smart TV, and a high-end surround sound system. The kitchen area comes fully equipped with the latest smart appliances, an induction cooktop, refrigerator, coffee maker, and even a touchscreen control panel for managing temperature, lighting, and entertainment. The bathroom is pure indulgence with marble finishes, a rainfall shower, and heated flooring, ensuring comfort wherever you go. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BYD Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It's powered by BYD's latest hybrid electric powertrain, combining a high-output electric motor with a smooth, efficient combustion engine. Together, they deliver over 2,500 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration despite its size. The advanced air suspension and smart adaptive steering make every drive effortless, whether you're cruising the highway or exploring mountain roads. As for pricing, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The estimated starting price for the 2026 BYD Motorhome is around $2.5 million, depending on customization and interior options. But for those who want the pinnacle of mobile luxury, it's worth every cent. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ZA Motors for more futuristic car reviews. Stay driven, stay inspired, and keep your engines roaring.